Just look at what just happened. Very strong and very predictable. I guess the deal won't come in. And so it is, losing part of the budget on a quick deal. And that's what I was talking about. Profitable greetings to each of you. Well, last time we talked about a robot for overclocking a deposit, so today we'll be engaged in a simple trading. You have already seen how the overclocking bot works, so today we'll see how a real trader do it. Before starting, as always, please like this video and check your subscription. Give us a gift for the new year in form of 1k subscribers. So let's get started. The euro and the British pound currency pair. Let's see what we have here. So the price resistance level stands out clearly. That is, the highs are trying to go beyond it, but the market is not ready to buy the currency at such a price. So we have at least 7 contacts with the level. I will also note the upper part of the resistance level, and I think that the price will go down here. I don't see any markers that indicate a penetration. I think the logic is clear. Based on this logic, let's open a short trade. Let's start with a small amount. I showed you my thinking and what decision I made as a result. Try to do the same, but not right away. I have trading experience, and this is not 1 year. But you can be a beginner, and this is fine if you carry out the analysis for longer. Let's take a look at the trading view. Now we may have a slight increase. In principle, I expect it, but after it, the price will surely fall. The volumes below the chart also show active selling, and it doesn't matter the support levels rise according to the chart. Here we are looking purely locally, without taking into account general trends. So we are waiting for the fall. It will be. And yes, by the way, because of this growth, I had a great chance to overlap and get even more profit from investments. If both deals will come in, it will be very great. In the meantime, we are watching what is happening. Somewhere there will be a drop. You will see that. Oh, what the hell, guys? Do you believe what is happening right now? Just look at what just happened. Very strong and very predictable. How well we entered the deal. We also managed to overlap. Very big profits awaits us from the beginning of the trade. But again, in principle, you can rejoice. But remember that exactly the same drop can happen, the same rebound back. Let the market collapse. There are those who don't want to play by such rules, and they will quickly buy currency. So far, everything has been unchanged, and I am very glad that I was able to record this particular transaction to show you how good my technical analysis is. And this is very nice, friends. The overlapping deal has come in, and this is sweet live money fixation. Let's continue our journey up to earning trading ladder and discover the Australian dollar and Japanese yen. What can I say? A hard drop has started, and there is a bounce market after it. Let's think about opening a short trade. I think it will work. So we have a top that denotes a local maximum, and here is a previous support level from which the price should now roll back. So far, it doesn't smell like a rollback. This is very bad. I guess the deal won't come in, and so it is, losing part of the budget on a quick deal. And that's what I was talking about. Trading requires a cool head. In the current situation, I can't afford to work off the lost money at the expense of good earnings on the previous transaction. So let's open a bullish trade one more time, only for long term. It will be interesting to know what results awaits us, because I'm a little upset with the loss on the short trade. The balance of today's work allows me to work off the loss. Let's take a more global look at the chart itself. An uptrend. This is obvious for us. The minimums are increasing, and the chart is clearly striving upward. We didn't have hard drops, which means the market is ready to work with such a price. Well, let's see how our version of the outcome of events works. So far, everything is very well. The same growth that I talked about is already gradually forming, and it will be great if everything works according to our scenario. And while we were talking, the chart continues to be in range we need, which is good news. Pure plus and net profit from 2 sweet deals. This is exactly how trading happens. What conclusion can be drawn from this? And more than once I have spoken about how risky they are. More risk, more chances to earn, but also to lose. One way or another, there was an increase. I would have opened it a short trade a minute later. Everything would have gone fine. But in fact, everything went well anyway. I not only covered the loss, but also made good money from a ball. This is the way to work. Experience, knowledge and trader's feeling helps me. Sometimes I turn to into a scalper bot. This is our universal robot that gives its prediction regarding currency pairs. Here I can say that you can work in different ways. You will get experience only if you get some bumps, but nevertheless, you also get experience due to the fact that you watch how others work. And just such a goal is the release of such videos on the channel. We want you to develop and improve your skills, which is why we show a variety of the content with which you can interact and learn from. We gave a fishing rod, show how to fish, all you have to do is to start acting if you really want it. So, something like that. That's it for today. Subscribe to the channel or like this video and make crazy profits together with the scalper bot.